Hey, just for your information, this video is only part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So should you be interested in even more Sony A6400 microphone setups, definitely go check that out. And now, let's start this one. This is the iGo Mic Mini Shotgun from Mic W. It's an excellent choice if you're in the market for a small, compact microphone that gives you super clean audio at round about $100. The only problem with this one is, because of the way it's constructed, you probably have to reposition the cold shoe quite a few times. But once you applied it correctly, it's well worth the time. It also comes with its own little dead cat and has a little shock mount. Alright, we're back to plus 25 on the internal pregains because this is an internal audio sample of the microphones of the A6400. As you might have guessed, spoken into from about selfie distance using my regular volume voice. Next up, a very special little microphone. The iGo Mic Mini Shotgun from Mic W. So this is what you're getting from the iGo Mic Mini Shotgun from Mic W. Selfie distance, regular volume voice, you know the drill. With this one, I could level down the internal pregains of the camera to an all-time low, as far as this video is concerned, which is an 8. We're getting exceptionally clean, high-quality audio from this microphone, considering it's tinier than a lipstick and doesn't have a pregain or a low-cut filter. If you can pick one up, because I believe it's no longer in production, definitely do so if you're in the budget for a microphone that costs you around about $100. Also, it comes with its own mini dead cat, which is just a fur version, not a foam-fur combination like with the Video Micro or the Video Mic ME. Still, it makes a lot of difference in such situations, and you're gonna be happy you have it. So that's it for this audio hack. Once again, this video was only part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So should you be interested in even more awesome Sony A6400 audio hacks, definitely go check that out. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.